'Twas the week before Christmas, and all through the house a warm holiday scent filled all the air. Sound like a Hallmark Christmas movie? Well, all you need is a few ingredients and a mini slow cooker or pot on the stove, and your home will smell like the magic of Christmas too. Let me show you how easy it is. Start by taking an orange. Cut the ends off. And next, quarter the middle of the orange. Now bring over your slow cooker. I'm using just a little mini one that takes about 4 cups. Plug it in and crank the heat to high. Drop in your oranges that you cut. Sprinkle in a pinch of cloves. And add a couple of cinnamon sticks. Now pour in about 4 cups of hot water. This will just help the slow cooker come to temperature quicker. Go ahead and put the lid on and let it sit for about half an hour to an hour to heat up. After that, take off the lid and it'll smell amazing. Just like citrus and spice and warm and comforting. Just like the magic of Christmas. And before you know it, your whole house will smell this way, just like the magic of Christmas. So that's it. That's just how easy it is to make your home smell like the magic of Christmas too. I hope you give this a try. Have a Merry Christmas. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.